Anxiety is sweeping through the professional world, fueled by the rapid rise of artificial intelligence. Many see AI as a threat, especially in data analysis, where automation seems inevitable. Headlines showcase AI generating reports, writing code, and even creating art, making it easy to imagine a future without human analysts. But is the fear justified? Data analysts do more than process numbers. They bridge the gap between raw data and smart business decisions. The real value lies in interpretation, communication, and strategic thinking, skills that AI can't easily replicate. The narrative of replacement overshadows a more nuanced reality. Instead of focusing on tasks, we should focus on the purpose of the job. The future isn't about being replaced, but about redefining what it means to be a data analyst. To thrive, we must understand what AI can and cannot do. By shifting our mindset, we can turn anxiety into opportunity. The challenge is to adapt, not retreat. The next chapter for analysts is about evolution, not extinction. AI is already transforming data analysis, acting as a hyper-efficient assistant. It automates repetitive tasks like data cleaning, scanning millions of rows in seconds and standardizing formats instantly. AI quickly generates visualizations and dashboards, accelerating the initial exploration of data. It can suggest chart types, run statistical models, and identify anomalies with speed and accuracy. Think of AI as a junior analyst, brilliant with numbers but lacking real-world experience. It handles the grunt work, freeing analysts to focus on deeper insights. AI's strength is in answering what the data says, not why it matters. This automation isn't a threat, it's a tool. The best analysts use AI to amplify their impact, not replace their expertise. By embracing AI, analysts can deliver insights faster and more effectively. The future belongs to those who leverage these new capabilities. Despite its power, AI has clear limitations. It lacks business context. AI can spot a sales drop, but not the reasons behind it. Human experience, industry knowledge, and real conversations provide the context data needs. AI also struggles with communication and stakeholder management. Analysts must interview leaders, clarify problems, and explain findings in relatable terms, skills AI can't match. Building trust, reading a room, and telling a compelling story with data are uniquely human abilities. Great analysis starts with asking the right questions, not just answering them. AI can't challenge assumptions or explore unexpected avenues without guidance. Turning numbers into persuasive narratives that drive action is an art, not an algorithm. AI provides evidence, humans create meaning. The analyst's role is to connect data to decisions. That's where human value shines. The analyst's role is evolving, not disappearing. The most successful analysts will master the art of partnering with AI. By delegating routine tasks to machines, analysts can focus on strategy and problem solving. The job shifts from data cruncher to business investigator. Framing the right questions and guiding AI models becomes essential. Analysts will spend more time with stakeholders, less time in spreadsheets. Interpretation and storytelling grow even more critical. The human layer translates AI's outputs into actionable business insights. Analysts who integrate AI into their workflow will deliver faster, deeper insights. Their value is measured by the quality of decisions they inspire. The future is a partnership, human creativity amplified by AI. AI presents a choice for every data analyst. Stick to repetitive tasks and risk being automated away, or adapt and thrive. The analysts who succeed will embrace AI as a tool, not a threat. They'll automate the tedious work and focus on what machines can't do: strategic thinking, communication, and creative problem solving. Becoming the bridge between AI's technical power and business needs is key. Continuous learning is essential. Today's analysts must master new tools and critical evaluation of AI outputs. Staying curious and seeking out complex projects will set you apart. The responsibility to stay relevant is personal. AI isn't the end of data analysis, it's the catalyst for its evolution. The future belongs to those who see AI as a partner. Let AI handle the grunt work so you can ask better questions and solve bigger problems. Will you be replaced, or will you redefine your value? The choice is yours.